midnight. Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 151, effective until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Jefferson, Washington, and Waukesha, and the following nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, Lake Michigan from Port... North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.